What's up, my dear friends? It's me, Jerry. Welcome to Speed versus Pain. Pip or UV? Which one installs Python packages faster? I timed them both, and the results will shock you. So, our first contender, Pip, the classic Python package installer. Reliable? Yes, it is, I guess. But fast? Well, not really. So today's experiment, which one is faster? Installing the same big batch of Python packages. We have pip with the usual install commands, UV running the same requirements. So place your bets now. Alright, so here's how I set up the speed test of the century, pip versus UV. First, I made sure everything was fair. I put my requirements.txt with a bunch of popular packages in a clean folder. No leftover, no cheating. For true science, I spun up a brand new virtual environment for each tool, one for pip, one for UV. No cached packages, no hand me downs. Then I fired up the classic time pip install our requirements.txt and watched pip do its thing. Meanwhile, I ran time uv pip install r requirements.txt in the uv terminal. Blast off. Each finished run spat out the real time straight from the terminal. No movie magic, just raw speed science. And for maximum fairness, I wiped the environments before each test, so no unfair advantages between pip and UV. No cache. So it's not that UV is 10 to 100 times faster outright, but due to its aggressive caching and smart optimization, it is fast. So what's UV's secret sauce? First, it's written in Rust, so it's way faster than Python under the hood. Second, UV aggressively caches packages and dependency trees. If you install the same thing twice, it barely touches the network. Third, UV downloads packages in parallel thanks to Rust's async magic, which pip just can't match. So, should you switch? UV blazing fast, modern features, but still catching up on compatibility. Pip, battle tested, works everywhere, but sometimes painfully slow. So for raw speed, UV, maximum compatibility, Python, pip. Your call. Don't forget to like and subscribe, comment your opinions, and see you later.